In this video I am going to show you 3 mind-blowing effects you can create in CapCut. But before we get into the video, kindly leave a comment of where you are watching us from in the comment section. And the first one is how to highlight muscles. So first add your gym video to the timeline. Then move the playhead to where you want to highlight. Now go to the toolbar and click on freeze to freeze that frame. Then make a duplicate of the freeze frame and place it on top of the main one. Now let's zoom in on the preview window a bit. Go to mask, then click on add mask and select the pen mask. And note that the pen mask is a pro feature, so you will need a pro version before you can export. Now use the pen mask to mask out the pleas you want to highlight. So take your time, so you can get the selection you want. Now when you are done with the pen masking, you can also adjust the selection by dragging the dots to where you want. Now go to adjustment and select curves. Now scroll to the blue curve, then click and drag this side all the way down. So as you can see, the color has changed, so I want mine to be red. So go to the green curve and do same to it. So play around with the curves until you get the color you want. So now when you are done, go to mask again, then scroll down to feather and add some feathering to blur out the edges. So this is what you should get. So now move the playhead to the start of the freeze frame, then add your first keyframe on expansion. So hold the shift key and press the right arrow key twice, then add another keyframe on expansion. So repeat until you get to the end. So go to the first keyframe and set the expansion to -14. Go to the third keyframe and do same. Then move to the last keyframe and set it to -14. And you should get something like this. So I will trim my freeze from a bit. Now right-click and select Show Keyframe Animation. Then select the second keyframe and select Preset Curve. So now add any preset curve to the keyframes you adjusted. And this is how to create this amazing muscle highlight in CapCut. The second effect is how to make this angry face effect. So I will add my video to the timeline. Then make all the necessary trimming you need. Now move the playhead to where you want the effect to start. So I want mine to start from this side. Then press Ctrl+B to make a split, then make a duplicate and place it on top on the main footage. Now under the video tab, go to Remove Background, then select Custom Removal. Now select the brush tool and paint over the face. And when you're done, wait for CapCut to process your selection and remove the background for you. Now go to Adjustment and select Curves. Now under the Luma curve, drag this side down a bit. Then go to the blue and do same. Then after that go to green and do same, until you get the light red color. Now under the video tab, go to mask and select the circle mask, but you can also use the split mask. Now resize the mask and position it over THS face. Then add some feathering to blur out the edges. Now move the mask down. Then scroll to mask settings and add your first keyframe. Now move the playhead forward a bit, then move the mask to reveal the red face. So my animation is very short, so I will move my second keyframe away from the first keyframe. So now right-click on the footage and select Show Variable Speed Animation. Then you can add any preset curve to your keyframe. So you can adjust the keyframe animation to how you want. And if you want to know how to do that, I have a tutorial on keyframes. So I will leave the link in the comment section. So this is how to create this angry effect in CapCut, and most of your favorite YouTubers use this effect, so try it and let me know your feedback in the comment section. And the third is how to make this color shift effect. First, add your video to the timeline. So place the playhead at where you want the animation to start. Then go to Adjustment. Then scroll to Saturation and add your first keyframe. Now move the playhead to where you want the animation to end, go to Saturation, then set it at -50. So this is how to create this amazing color shift effect that most creators use in their videos. See you in the next video.